this is John. It's probably, I don't know how many years since I've last posted an HD video for Ongline HD. But I was looking through my computer and found this clip that it's actually a series of photos. Hi Chai! A series of photos that I got from this winter that I made. This is Chai, my kitty. And I thought I would share it with you because it's getting warm here in Kansas City, and I looked through my video and found this HD slideshow that I made when we had the gigantic blizzard. So I thought I'll share that with you. So enjoy this video, and if you're in Australia, you can probably relate, or if you're in the southern hemisphere, you can probably relate to the coldness. But enjoy this video, and hopefully I'll get to do more video. I'm actually shooting this on my iPad. I hope I'm in the frame. I can't see it, so I hope I'm in the frame. Anyway, enjoy the video, and until next time, I might be posting more now that I have my whatchamacallit now, my iPad. Actually, I would probably post a video from Malaysia when I did one of the videos that I actually edited and shot all on my iPad too. So, but right now, this week, enjoy the wintry blizzard, the cold weather. Bye!
哎，吃早餐啊！快点啊！好多早餐在这里，在我们最熟悉的早餐店里。不管你睡得多晚，起得多晚，这姊妹永远在这里，欢迎光临你。对啊对啊，